Hey guys, come with me and my family and friends to BANFF for a 1 day trip. So this day we just, decided to, go on a trip to BANFF. BANFF is a very nice place to be. The views, nature, the calmness, the it's just a beautiful place to be. So my family and friends, we made an arrangement to go on a 1 day trip to BANFF, and it was one of the best trips of my life. Trust me, I really enjoyed every bit of it. Here we're on our way, vibing to music and all of them. Just take a look at this beauty. Look at this gorgeousness, guys. Isn't this amazing? Nature is beautiful. Nature is, oh my god, I don't have words. Like, it's so beautiful. The view, the coolness, the serenity, everything was just so beautiful. So we got here to Lake Lois, and we wanted to go to the lake, but we arrived late, so there were no vehicles to take us down to the lake. So we just had to look around, and then here I was vibing and taking some picture. So guys, enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video, and have fun. Come with me, come along. Okay. Oh, Dogu. Walking on the lake.
Where will they go? Because the Lake Louis is like another journey.
They are 9 years at the top.
We just say we don't go read that.
More go check whether they walk for then they start go there.
Walk like this. Oh, why are you videoing her?
You only go video them. I said don't come to video behind.
Well, that's all. You would think that she do something.
Picture first and we'll go come back.
Okay, wait, let her get the food.
Natalie, why you sit down on top here? You don't pass over here. You don't pass over here already. Sit down for it. Not be F, you supposed to go sit down.
Selena, good. It's kind of bad, but yeah, I took some. Let me start. My turn. Next person. Go. Like this, right? I'm putting yeah, God,
Full family. I was so scared.
God, oh yeah, wow.
Oh God, I commit my soul.
Try this canteen again.
What did you just say? You will not try anything. Jesus.
God, but the thing that's scary, you. But the thing is, well,
God knows I was in a lifetime.
Okay, guys, turn around. Yeah, give me.
I don't really. I they come. My phone no phone. People really worked on here.
For 30 plus. This bending is not for 30 plus. It's nice.
Close you.